back to Model Image. If this is your first time, hi, my name is RUSHAE. I'm a lover of fashion, the business of fashion. I'm also a little obsessed with vintage. If this is your first time, I do a lot of styling content here, primarily through thrifted or vintage finds. So if you do like styling content, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the family. Now, this week is part 2 of the haul I did last week at my unique thrift store. Now, last week I looked at Celine for inspiration for those looks, and I found a few other things. Yes, quite a few other things. Turns out they're all black. Hence, this is an all black affair. So I think you got a view of all of them in last week's Thrift with Me. If not, I'll just throw in a quick thrift with me here, and then I'll go into the haul and show you what I got. But before I go into the thrift with me, I do have 2 more Dossier perfumes to try. As I announced the last time, I am part of their ambassador program, their scent ambassador, as I'd like to say. So I have 2 perfumes for you, and they are both from Le Labo. So the reason I wanted to try the Le Labo is because what feels like ages ago, I did get the Le Labo Discover set, which I tried. So I do know what this smells like. And so I wanted to try Dossier's version of these scents. And the one that I got is the Le Labo Santal 33. How could I not? That's like their most popular fragrance. So the Dossier's version is called Woody Sandalwood. So the top notes are violet leaves and cardamom. Middle notes, orris, ambrox, cedarwood, and cypriol. And base notes, musk, sandalwood, and amber. Let's see what... Absolutely the Santal. Oh my goodness, I love this. Now, if I was to compare them, the Le Labo is a little deeper and a little sweeter of a scent, but the inspired version, the Woody Sandalwood, does have the same essence, that urban, deep, like oudi of the Santal 33. I have a little left in the Santal that I put here, and then I have the Woody Sandalwood at just below it. Yeah. So Le Labo is just a little sweeter, but you're definitely, when it dries down, you're basically smelling the same fragrance. Oh, so getting the inspired version, if you know that $200 and I think $80 for the Labo, if you just want to experience what this Le Labo experience is about, or this Le Labo hype, I definitely think you'll be getting that experience just by getting the Dossier version. So I definitely say go for it. So the Santal 33 is the Woody Sandalwood. So this is the first of the 2, and the second one that I got was my second favorite when I bought the Discover set, and it is the Le Labo Rose 31. I loved this scent. This is more of a sophisticated rose, which I like because typically I can't do rose scents. And the Dossier version is called Floral Rose. So let's see. I love this. Oh my god. So top notes, rose, centifolia, cumin. Middle notes, vetiver, incense, cedarwood, and base notes, musk, citrus, and amber. Oh my god, these inspired versions are delightful. Now, we all know Le Labo is upwards of $280, and I'll put on screen the price for the Floral Rose and the Woody Sandalwood. Oh my goodness. Now, I don't have the Rose 31 to compare because I had used that up from Le Labo, but it's definitely bringing back to that scent that I love, that in the Floral Rose for the Dossier. So I think you can't go wrong with either of these scents, or get both. Now, if you do like this kind of urban deep scents and you wanted to make like a trio, because you know it's a buy more pay less, so if you got 3, then I'd say go with the Gucci. Because if you like Le Labo, then you like more intense scents. So I did definitely say for your third one, go with the Gucci. But definitely you will enjoy it. Now this week, because they're gearing up for a lot more discounts coming up, we're doing a 5% discount. So if you go for Model Image 5, you'll get 5% off on your purchase. So you can buy 1 and get your 5% discount, or if you buy 3, you get 10% for buying 3 and an additional 5% discount. So you can use model image 5. Also, they have this new promotion called Pay with Catch, where if you sign up for Pay with Catch, you get like store credit, etc. So definitely check the link in the bio for more information about the Dossier. But I am gonna enjoy my Lilavo inspired fragrances for a fraction of the price. Now for the haul, I'm just gonna go straight into the pieces that I got. This was filmed last week, so I'm just gonna insert that here, and then we go to the try on section. Hi guys, so welcome to part 2 of the Celine inspired thrift haul. This time I'm showing you what I got that was not under the Celine look. So let me head into that portion of the haul. So for the non-Celine inspired pieces, it seems I went all black everything. The next thing that I found is this vest, and it's this black vest. I've been looking for vests for the entire summer and I couldn't find any. This, I don't have a black like this. I have one that scoops down here, so typically I'd have to wear something under it. So I'm glad I found this because I wanted something that buttoned up high enough that if I wanted to wear it alone, I could. So this is the next thing that I got. Vests are still gonna be here for next spring, so it's something that I could still wear in the fall and still take it back out for spring. So that's the next thing that I got. So here's the vest, and this is exactly what I wanted, to be able to just wear this without having to put a shirt under it. Of course, I have the option if I wanted to, but this I think will be more versatile throughout more than one seasons. So I've just paired it with a very wide leg, loose leg pair of black pants for that intentional vest set look, and I've paired it with these sparkly pointed toe kitten heel. You know, 'tis the season for sparkles and animal prints, so I'm getting them all out. So this is what this vest looks like, and it's perfect. It fits me perfectly and I love this. I'm not sure if you saw me pick this up in the Come Thrift with me, but when I saw this, I absolutely had to grab this. This is like a lace with gold threading through it. It's velvet. It has, you know, it has these well-defined gold buttons, silvery gold type buttons. So this was an absolute yes. The cuff is also with the lace and button details. So this I had to, especially for this season, grab this. So this is the next thing that I got. Next up is this awesome velvet top. It is a little big for me. You can see it's very wide here, but it's fine. It's fine. I've paired it with these pair of vintage leather pants. This is by the brand Bagatelle, I think. Vintage belt and Miu Miu platforms, and I absolutely love this, and I just love this look. It is the perfect party season, you know, just to feel so feminine, powerful, awesome when I leave the house. That's what I love about this look. So this is what this top looks like, and I absolutely love it. I don't mind that it's a little oversized. I think it helps with the play of this little Peter Pan style collar, and I absolutely love this look. So this is what this top looks like. Next up is this dress by Evan Picone. So it's just a little black dress. It has some like satiny straps here. Now why I picked this up is because when I turned the dress around, this is what the back looks like, and I'm just curious to see if I could wear this back and front. If I can't, then it's still a very nice dress that I can throw on with, you know, with a sweater under it by itself, with a blazer. It's, you know, it's a LBD. You can't go wrong with a LBD. So I decided to grab this, but I'm interested to see what it would look like if I wore it this direction. So stay tuned. So this is what the Evan Picone dress looks like. Just very nice, classic office party cocktail type of vibes. Up close, I love this little sateen little straps right here, but it's very flattering. I do love how the fit of it is on a regular, so you know, if it doesn't work out as I want it to, then it's still just a perfect little LBD, as they call it, for my closet. So this is also another perfect find. This is what I'm interested in. However, this is what the back looks like, and I'm excited to see what this would look like at the front. Guys, I think it actually worked. Now, this is what the dress looks like turned around, and I love, this is what I wanted to see. This little bow peekaboo action right here I thought would have been such a cute feature. This is now what the back looks like, and I think it's perfect to keep the back up. You know, it's a perfect little design to have the halter neck in the back and this cute little sateen bow with the sateen straps right here. This is such a better dress. They put all this detail in the back and it is perfect at the front. Okay, so the one design flaw would be that I now have a seam going all the way down the middle, which if on this side I wouldn't have had a seam going down the middle, but it's fine. I don't have a problem with it. It's a black dress. No one's coming that close to me to be like, oh, you have 3 here. Why? I don't think it's that serious. Especially because I just love how this looks. It is perfect. I think this is a perfect, fun little cocktail dress. Before it was like, you know, your mom's dress. This is more like, you know, your everyday cocktail dress, a little more fun, a little more modern, and I absolutely love this. Oh my God, I can't believe that worked. I just grabbed it on a whim because I'm like, this, I'm sure, will look good turned around. So this is how that dress worked out, and absolutely, I love this. Now this I saw, you know, is just a cozy, like, whether it's a long sweater or it's a sweater dress, shorter sweater dress, I just thought this would be great to just throw on, belt it. It's a turtleneck, oversized, and this, you know, this is fall. You know, you can't go through fall without a knit dress. So, and it's just by H&M. I just decided to grab this, and it will just be one of those cozy pieces that are, you know, easy to throw on. So I decided to pick this up as well. Next up is just this little H&M dress that, you know, some of these days you just need that easy throw on and go. I paired it with these Acne cowboy western boots thing that I think is perfect for the season. You still look chic, and it was so effortless. So this is what I had in mind for this little H&M turtleneck dress. You know, when it's like nice and loose like this, I don't mind it too much being a turtleneck, and when it gets really cold, I guess I'll really appreciate it. But this is the next look, and the last thing I got, I thought this was an awesome little throw on. This is an oversized leather vest, and I thought this would be perfect. Just an awesome style statement. This is by JL Studio, and it's 100% leather, so I absolutely decided to grab this. It is a 20 wide, but you know, it's gonna be an oversized. I'm seeing this over a knit. Even that knit dress, I think it would work perfectly with. So I decided to grab this as well, and that is my haul. So let's see what this looks like. And for the oversized vest, this is what I had in mind. I just think it would make it so much more chic, and it's still very effortless because I just put a dress on and this awesome leather vest that I love. It is a size 20 wide, but it gives me that drama that I love. You know, I always say don't look at size, look at fit. How do you want to wear an item? The size is just a guide if you just want to go in and pick up something that's closest to your body shape. But if you have a vision on how you want to wear something, size doesn't matter. You're just putting it on to get the achieved look. So this awesome leather vest is perfect. I could even button it up and still get that more clean lined look, but absolutely love this, and it is perfection. But if I'm looking for a little more sophistication for this look, then I've just paired this knee-high Kate Spade. I love the little buckle here. Adding a more sophisticated style boot to the look, it gives it a little more femininity, a little more sophistication to the entire look. So I love this as well. A little less daytime run around errands, but more like event, day to evening type look, and I absolutely love this. I am so glad I picked this up. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box for more information on Dossier, and you can use my code MODELIMAGE5 for 5% off your purchase. As well, they have a new option to pay with cash, which allows you to receive 10% credit for each purchase. So don't forget to select pay with cash for checkout, but you can find out more information in the description box below. As well, don't forget to let me know in the comment section what look was your favorite, what piece is your favorite, and if you haven't yet subscribed, I'd love for you to join the family. And if you did like this video, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.